Hey everybody, I'm Justin with Fourier. Welcome to our factory. This is where we deliver turnkey, high-density, modular data centers with a current capacity of 600 megawatts per year. I'm going to take you on a tour of our showroom today. Let's head inside and check it out. Welcome to our showroom. What I have behind me is our single-phase immersion cooling tank. It features gas-liquid mixing technology that lowers viscosity and increases thermal performance. Each tank can accommodate 12 to 56 U servers of various sizes and delivers over 80 kilowatts of cooling capacity. Let's take a look at some of the product models that we have on display. These include our liquid-cooled micromodule, air-cooled micromodule, and fan wall micromodule, designed for indoor deployments. For outdoor deployments, we offer solutions such as the air handling unit, cold plate liquid-cooled container, integrated air-cooled containerized data center, and DTC liquid-cooled containerized data center. Together, these solutions support a wide range of applications, from building new data centers to upgrading existing infrastructure. Behind me is an example of a phase change immersion cooling tank, part of our containerized solutions, designed to handle higher heat loads. From components to full cluster deployments, everything we build is designed around AI, cloud, and edge workloads with higher density and lower PUE. For more information about Fourier, please take a look at our website or contact us directly. We look forward to hearing from you.